How to add captions on TikTok. To get started, you first need to open the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to this home page. On this page, tap on the plus icon from the bottom panel of the screen. Then you'll be taken to this camera page. Now press and hold the capture button to record a short video. After you're done, tap onto this arrow from the side panel. Then tap on the option Edit from here. Once you are in this edit page, you will see different options in the bottom panel. Select the option Caption from here. It will detect your language. Now hit the play button to read the caption on the video. You can also adjust the caption timing here. Play the video to check if the caption matches the video. So by following these simple steps, you can easily add captions on TikTok.